Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about another overload of text that takes image as the parameter. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to create a text. All right, and if you notice, there is a text that can create an image instance. So basically it can take an image view and put it inside the text. So for this example, we can actually simply use a system image, and I'm gonna say star, all right, dot fill. Okay, and we're gonna use that concatenation operator that we have seen to basically build this star dev star case here, like text here. Okay, now what this does is basically it also allows you and helps you with the dynamic type. So as your text is growing with the dynamic type, the image actually also grows according to the dynamic property. Okay, so that's the benefit that you get, other than concatenating image directly as a part of the text. All right, so that's actually how you can create image inside text in SwiftUI. All right, so that was it for this video. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.